Hey, what's up, everybody? Good evening. How you guys doing? Wherever you're watching me from. Today, I want to talk about Emeka Ike. Over the internet, this Emeka and his wife, people have been talking about them, about everything that's been said long time ago, about 10 years ago, now coming back. People are still talking about it. I feel people should understand that every human being or every family have their own challenges. This is a difficult time for their family, and people should try and pray for them. What this means is that they couldn't undo it themselves. They need people to assist them. They need people to pray for them. If that's the case, they should know that whatever contribution that you can make sure that each one of them moved on, each one of them have a better life, each one of them understand that in life you will face challenges. But what is important is for you to come out of the challenge and be a better person. We're not here to talk about who is lying. We're not here to talk about who is telling the truth. We just here to let our opinion count so that other people can learn from this and other people can realize, come to realization that every family, every human being can be in any situation. So therefore, we need to learn, we need to be tolerant, we need to understand how we appreciate one another. We need to understand that selfishness can destroy so many things. If you are too selfish, your life can be destroyed as well. Because if you are thinking about yourself all alone, it can get worsened. We all need one another. We all need to support one another. We all need to assist one another. We all need to believe in one another. That is the reason why I would like to share with you what somebody said about this issue and how to resolve the issue. It's not going to be automatic. It may not be immediate, but the person felt it takes serious determination to understand and agree that it's important to keep quiet when necessary, especially at the time when you are trying to look for solution desperately, or at the time when you just want things to happen without being patient to watch when it's going to end up. Sometimes we need to just accept whether we are being blamed wrongly or forcefully. We just need to be quiet, let people say whatever they believe in or whatever they know, and let the peace reign. So here is what this person said to me. First and foremost, let me tell you what happened. The person said he wish he could have a platform to express what he felt about this Emeka. And I said, why not? You can use any platform. He said, I wish I have opportunity to go out there and face the family together and tell them. I said, wow, that's tough, that's difficult. I don't think that could be possible at this time. The person said, this is what he feels about the whole situation. Okay, let me say it this way. The person said to me, he wish he could use my platform to address the issue between Emeka Ike and his wife. That's his opinion. That's is what he believes. My response was that why not? Unfortunately, we can't make it as big as that person wishes. Here is what the person said. The person said they both love one another. There's no doubt about that. Yes. But they have crossed the line. He said they will get over it, but it will take time and they have to stop all this internet drama for whatever reason, whether it's for publicity or promotion. But if they don't, it may get worse. He said, if they don't, what that person said is that if they don't stop talking about one another publicly, whether during interview session or with friends or with family member, it may get worse if care is not taken. They need to know the right place to talk about their family. They need to wait for the appropriate time to talk about the family. They need to know or choose the right people to talk to about their family. And they need to engage with the children to let the children know that the issue between them should not be immediate concern of the children, because they have to find a way to resolve the issue between them. Then the children can know that they both deserve to be loved equally. The person said, when you cross the line in relationship, it is difficult to balance it. It will be difficult to balance the relationship or bring the family together. When the marriage is toxic, they will be looking for their downfall all the time. That is the thing. The person advised that they should try to stop talking about each other, especially negatively at this point of time. They can talk about each other positively, sending across the good messages to each other, telling themselves he's a nice person. He used to be a very caring husband. He used to be a very caring wife. He used to be there all the time. Not to try to expose the bad side or the bad experience they've had together. Things like this happen, but he advised to make sure they control their emotion, the feeling towards the other person. That is the way to show how Superman or Superwoman you are. Control it, comfort the person. Don't leak all the secrets you know about the person out, because you don't know when the issue resolved finally. How will you look into the person's face and say, yes, I said this because I was hurt? The person advised that they should try to make sure they shut their mouth, because it is very necessary not to say everything. And the person give kudos to the wife who has been keeping quiet for a long time. And he said that it could be that the woman couldn't control her emotion, her feeling, because this person has always coming out to say negative things about her. He said he will urge the woman to continue being quiet, that she doesn't need to depend on public opinion, because this issue is about family. It's about the family. Public opinion can only matter when you need a good advice from them. Any public opinion that want to castigate your husband because of your experience living with him, say it does not matter to her at this time, because of the children. Because the children will get old, will get married, then what will be when those children get married? How would they be able to cope whenever anybody reminded them about what their mom or their dad says about each other? So the advice the person gave, he said he understands that it is difficult for each one of them to try and understand how hard or how difficult it is to be quiet when you know the information out there is not true, but they have to do it for the sake of the children. The public cannot do anything than to pray for you. That's the only thing that will help you. The public cannot bring both of you together and say, this is our demand. Both of you should continue to live peacefully as husband and wife. Public cannot do that. It is between both of you to think about how you want to live your life. So whatever you want to put out, make sure it's going to be positive about your partner for the sake of children. That's the advice the person gave. And I felt that that person is not be one-sided. That person really wants peace for them. So that's what I feel I should put out there for you people. And what I think personally, Emeka Ike, according to what you said you have moved on. You don't know if your wife has remarried or not, but you people should let peace reign for the sake of your children and for the sake of your new wife now. This to Emeka Ike. Anytime you go out there talking about your ex-wife, you don't have 100% guarantee that your new wife will appreciate it. You know, your new wife knows you better, knows you as a good person. To remain good to your new wife, you need to just stay focused. Don't talk about your ex-wife, because whether you like it or not, there will be time which you and your new old wife, your ex-wife, will need to talk, whether on children or whether on personal advice, because you've been together before. There's always good and the bad side. Whenever you think she will be the right person to talk to you on certain issue based on the past relationship, I believe that you will wish you have not get the ground dirty. So therefore, you be free to walk to her or call her and talk to her. That is how to maintain peace. No matter how hard it is for you, try, appreciate her, let her know that there is something that made you to walk up to her at the first place, to say you love her, you want to marry her. Let her know that that thing is still there. It may not be for remarrying, it may not be for any other thing, but for the time well spent. Forget about what she has done to hurt you. Let the man in you prove to the world that I'm the real man. A lot of people look up to you and they wish you best of luck. They want to see you in a position to do the right thing. They don't want to be in a position telling you you should have do this, you should have do this, you should have do this, or done this, done this, done this. They want to see you doing it because they look up to you and they believe you are the Mr. Perfect. I want to say to you, Emeka, so many people love you, and please, God will help you to help you to respect that. Please, please, you have so much to do for people that believe in you, people that look up to you. No matter the issue between you and your wife, please control your emotion. Make sure your son, whatever mistake he made, make sure he will soon realize that it's a small kid. And by the time he grows older, he will appreciate you as a father. Thank you, everybody, for listening. Like, subscribe to our channel. Make sure send your comment. Let's know how we can improve in what we do. We will appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye for now.